Hey guys, it's Marianne from Thrive Admin Services. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the Workday function in Microsoft Excel to calculate dates in advance for schedules, milestones, workflows that only uses weekdays. So I'm not calculating any weekends, I'm not ending up with a due date on a weekend, and I'm not accidentally sending something to a client that suggests that I will have something for them on a weekend, because I don't like to work on weekends. So let's get started, and I hope that this will be really useful for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Workday formula in Excel so that you can create timelines or project flows or workflows or schedules in Excel that are only using weekdays and discounting the weekends when you're planning ahead for deadlines and milestones on your client work or your business deadlines. So in this example, I've got an Excel document that is on the desktop on a Mac. So if you're working on a PC or the web version, then your buttons may look a little different, but the formula is identical. So in this instance, I've set up 3 columns and I've formatted them as dates. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a date to start with, that is the day I do a discovery call with someone. So I'm going to choose, let's choose yesterday. I did a discovery call with someone, so the 11th of May 2022. What I want then is that I will send a proposal to the client 2 business days or 2 weekdays after our call. I need to make sure I've done it 2 days after. So to set that up, I'm going equals Workday, open brackets. I'm choosing this particular cell because that's the date that it's reliant on, comma, and then 2 because we're going 2 business days after that. So you can see that it's now the 13th. Now, to show you how this works in a really simple way, if I was to change this and make it the Thursday, so Thursday the 12th, 2 business days from Thursday the 12th should be Monday the 16th. So if we go 12 of 5, that's now moved to the 16th because the 12th is the first day, and then I'm adding 2 business days. So the next business day is Friday the 13th, and then the next business day is Monday the 16th. So it's automatically discounted the weekends because I don't like to be at the desk on a weekend. All right, so I'll jump that back to the 11th so you can see that. And then as another example, you may decide my proposal, once it goes out, is valid for, well, you know, it says 14 days, but that's actually 14 calendar days, so it's really only 10 business days. So I need to follow them up before the proposal expires. So I'm going to set myself a proposal follow-up date of this, comma, 9, because I want to do it before the proposal expires. Okay, so in our example here, we've got Wednesday the 11th, then we've got Monday the 13th, and then we've got Thursday the 26th. Yes, that's right, Thursday the 26th. So what I'm doing here is I've created now, if I change my discovery call date at any point, these will both be updated. Likewise, I could set it that discovery call, and then I might, instead of relying on this one, I might set my proposal follow-up to be based on, I definitely want to do that follow-up within 10 business days of the call. So I could change that. I'll do another one here. So if we go discovery call is that, and then I might say, I definitely want to send my proposal. You might like to send your proposal the next business day. So we would go 1. Okay, so that's then the 12th. And then the proposal is definitely 10 business days from the call. So we would go equals Workday, comma, this one, because we're basing this one also on that, and then 10. Okay, so again, each of these 2 columns will, or these 2 cells will update subject to me changing this particular cell. Okay, so as an example, if I make this one the 12th of the 5th, you can see that we then get the proposal goes out on the Monday because we said it's 2 business days. And this one is 9 business days after it's sent. Okay. By comparison, if I make this one the 12th, we've now got, interestingly, this is actually, everything is shorter. So on the 12th of May, I have the call. Here I'm saying on the next business day, which is Friday, I would send my, I'm sending my proposal, sorry, I had a brain blank. And then this is 10 business days from the discovery call. I am doing my follow-up. And as a final test for you, I'm just going to show you what happens if we were to make both of these a Friday. So if I make this one the 13th, you can see this is now the Tuesday of the following week. And the 30th is actually the Monday. It's a Monday. It's 2 weeks Monday. Okay. Likewise, if I make this the Friday, none of these change. Because interestingly, when that's the 12th of the 5th, that's the 13th, and that is the 26th, which is a Thursday. If I make this the 13th of the 5th, that one moves to the 27th, this one moves to the 16th. So this, the 16th, which is the Monday, because it's the next business day, the 27th, which is 10 business days from the 13th. So it's 2 weeks exactly from the Thursday. From the discovery call. So it's 2 weeks because it's accounted for 2 weekends. Did you know about the Workday function in Excel? For me, it's been an absolute game changer when it comes to creating workflows for clients and stepping out some of my milestones and due dates so that I can pop them into my calendar and I can set my planner tasks with the right dates straight up. So if it was really useful for you, don't forget to let me know. If you want to share a post on social media showing me how you're using the function, don't forget to tag me in it. You can like this video and subscribe to our channel to make sure that you're up to date with all of the new content that comes from Thrive. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks and really great ways to use any of the apps in your Microsoft 365 subscription, then there are a couple of ways that you can do that thanks to Thrive. You can become a Microsoft Dynamo, which is our free Facebook group where we do a monthly live training session. There are loads of resources and you can ask questions in a group with other people who are learning and sharing their knowledge of Microsoft 365. You can become a member of Thriving with 365. Thriving with 365 is our paid membership where you get direct access to me and you can ask questions that are specific to your business and your particular needs. We also have a monthly drop-in session, weekly members content that goes live in the member portal, and access to all of the Thrive templates and tools. And last but not least, we can work together one-on-one. So you can find details of how I can help you, whether it's templates, tools, resources, formatting, setting up projects, or setting up some of your Microsoft apps. We can do all of that and you can find out all of the details at thriveadmin.com. Have a great day.